At CES 2023, Samsung unveiled the reasonably priced Galaxy A14 5G, which offers a number of improvements over the Galaxy A13 5G. The Galaxy A13 5G was Samsung's entry-level 5G smartphone when it was released in December 2021. A few months later, Samsung also produced a 4G version of the smartphone. Unlike the previous generation, it doesn't appear like the Galaxy A14 5G will have a 4G model. Although at first glance the Galaxy A14 5G and Galaxy A13 5G appear to be identical, closer examination reveals some appearance changes between the two gadgets. The Samsung Galaxy A series smartphone has wider bezels, but keeps the water drop notch of its predecessor. The back has also undergone a facelift by Samsung, who opted for a flat display to better showcase the protruding triple camera arrangement. There will be 4 color options for the Galaxy A14: black, light green, dark red, and silver. However, only the black model will be sold in the United States. It is anticipated that it will not include a charger in the box, just like the Galaxy A13 5G. The Galaxy A14 5G has received some significant improvements that elevate it beyond the previous model. First off, the Full HD Plus 1080p display, at 6.6 inches, is not only larger than the 6.5-inch HD Plus screen of the Galaxy A13 5G, but it is also sharper. The 90Hz refresh rate and the fact that the panel is LCD, not AMOLED, remain unchanged. Samsung has kept the Mediatek Dimensity 700 processor, which comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB or 128 GB of storage, untouched as well. A microSD card slot is available for an additional 1 TB of storage. Similar to the Galaxy A13 5G, the Galaxy A14 5G includes a 50 megapixels main back camera, along with a 2 megapixels macro, and a 2 megapixels depth camera. This camera is also found on the less expensive Galaxy A04. The newest model, however, replaces the 5 megapixels front-facing camera with a 13 megapixel sensor, which is a greater resolution. Both phones contain a USB-C port for charging, an audio jack, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Additionally unaltered is the 5000 mAh battery, which charges at the same 15-watt rate. While the Galaxy A13 5G has Bluetooth 5.0, the Galaxy A14 5G does have Bluetooth 5.2. The most recent phone from Samsung comes with One User Interface Core 5.0, which is based on Android 13. The phone will receive 2 OS updates, thus Android 15 should be installed on it. The Galaxy A13 5G launched with Android 11 and has already received the Android 13 update, which is likely to be the device's final OS update. Although security upgrades are still available, they won't be as frequent as the 4 years anticipated for the Galaxy A14 5G. The pricing of the Galaxy A14 5G in the US will be $200, which is $50 less than the Galaxy A13 5G's $249 launch price for the identical configuration. The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G is shaping up to be a suitable replacement with its slight feature upgrades and lower price tag, but existing Galaxy A13 5G owners shouldn't upgrade to it. What do you think about this comparison? Write your comments. I'm very interested to know your opinion. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.